Hello guys, there we have a Samsung washing machine WW80T504DAEA, and today I will tell you action for the troubleshooting code Addwash door is open. So if you see this problem, this message appear when you open the add drawer without pressing start pause button. If it's happened, do one of the following things. Press the add door to close properly, then press the hold start button and try again. To add laundry, open the add door and input laundry. Close the add door properly, then press and hold the start pause to resume the operation. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.